Valentine's Day already? Oh no, but it's soon approaching. After this wild year we just had, it's only right to gift your significant other with something to show that you appreciate them, right? You know what I mean? Like, baby, I love you. Sometimes, when it comes to Valentine's Day, guys have it the worst. What do you gift your woman that you love, that you want to show them that you appreciate them? While on a budget, #pandemic. That's where me and Paris Lavore come in. Oh, bro, what y'all thought this was? Do you see this? This is a rose-covered bear. Guaranteed excellent top. Huh? Cap? Oh, you think I'm lying? Okay, watch this. Hey, baby, you upstairs?
Yes, boo, I'm just upstairs chilling.
I got a gift for you, boo.
Okay.
Ooh, what's up, boo? Want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you. I love everything you do for me. Always and forever.
Oh my God.
Your man. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Oh my God, thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh my God. I can just give you the craziest, most wildest gawk action you've ever had. You know what? Come here.
Thank you, Paris Lavore. All right, let's do it. Try to tell you, you ain't believe me. Hey, bro, it's proven. It's proven. But in all seriousness, me and Paris Lavore teamed up to give the gift of love and appreciation while on a budget, #pandemic. Be sure to click the first link down below, but act fast. And we know how fast you can be. Hey man, pillow talking, bro. Act fast while supplies last. Man, that kind of rhyme. I should be a rapper. Can you just imagine how sloppy your top A will be with, bro? I'm just saying. Link down below. Get involved. And then get involved. You in. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, NAMI is getting a K-Pro, temporarily. I'm gonna order my K-Pro through Hybrid Friday. Oh, Hobby hit me up. And I'm gonna order my Hobby.
You gonna order your hot tea?
Shut the fuck up! I'm gonna order my. Oh my God! I'm finna slap the.
Slap the what?
I'm gonna slap the fuck out your bitch ass.
Backhand your bitch ass.
Oh my God! I am going to order a K-Pro V.
That's what you be doing to friend.
Now I can vlog with somebody talking. That's easy. Watch. I'm gonna order my K-Pro V4 Monday through Hybrid, and then I'm getting Sean blending me his K-Pro V3 today, so I can tune. And once I have the car tuned, I'll be straight enough to whenever I get my V4 in the mail, I'm good. Link up with the one and only, the GOAT himself. Sean got the coupe out tonight. You finna go racing, dog?
I'm just cruising.
Oh, just chilling?
Might hit the skate park or something.
Oh, shit. Again. Shout out to the homie Sean, dog. Always looking out for your Benoit. So it is indeed the next day. Today is the day that I attempt to slap in the Hondata onto the RSX. Well, not attempt. We're gonna do it. Just gotta get this tune map from Hobby, and then we should be solid. We should be good to go. So I'm gonna head over to Randy's house now, and then from there we'll probably load up the map, get everything situated, and be on our way. Man, just look how good the 02 to 04 front is. Oh my God, bro. Beautiful.
Cutie pop for me, a cutie pop for my shoes.
Okay, here we have K-Pro V3. I'm gonna order my V4 Monday, like I've been saying in this vlog so far. But in order to access our ECU, we just got this like plastic cover. Oh, is it zoomed in? Oh no. So I got a plastic cover right here. We just gotta pop this out. Mine's actually broken. I just put a clip in there. It should just pop out. There we go. And then our ECU is right here. And then you got a bolt there and a bolt there. And then this drops. So you got the one 10mm bolt there. And you got the other one there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it done. So I think there's 3 bolts that hold the ECU in and not 2. Which would make sense. It would make sense. All right. Tuning solutions over here at Zosh Tune. This is what we do. We're gonna go to file. We're gonna load a new. You know what I mean? We ain't gonna save this shit. Nah. Cool. We ain't gotta save Randy's tune, so his shit ain't gonna start when he crank it up. But we're gonna go here.
It's gonna start right now. Is it?
Oh. Do.
Oh yeah, it's Miles' car.
RSX cold air intrinsic performance cams. Okay. Oh look, intake stock cams 310cc. This is what I need from the stock calibration. This is it, right? Boom. Load that up.
Oh, you sound like a bitch.
Man, shut the fuck up. Man, I'm tuning, bro. Stop fucking up my video vibes, bruh.
This gonna be quiet.
All right, crank it up. Everything is situated, no more check engine lights. I had to do some stuff over here in the parameters. I had to go to, what was it? I can't remember where I went to. It was something about O2 sensors. But, okay, maybe I ain't got it figured out all the way, because my idle is too damn high. I gotta figure out why. I don't like that. Laptop that doesn't require to be on a battery charger in order to work. We're just gonna have to dry this John how it is. See what's up with it. This is just a stock K28-2 calibration that comes on the K-Pro. Just made minor adjustments so I can get rid of the O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction code and all that. Damn. How does it feel like throttle response wise? Yeah, never mind. I thought it would. Power shifting my shit. I wish I knew how to power shift like Randy. Randy's a beast.
I didn't power shift though.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Bro, you power shifted from 2nd to 3rd,
No,
dog.
I didn't.
And something wrong with my idle. I gotta figure out why.
It's high as fuck.
Yeah, I don't know why I keep doing that. I gotta start doing better at my filming. Right now, I'm heading home because I have to upload. I was supposed to upload every video I upload now. I'm going to upload at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, no later than like 9 p.m. But my time I want to stick to is 6 p.m. It is now 5:52 and I'm on my way home now to go upload it. I didn't do that earlier. And I'm also waiting for Javi to send me a map that I need for the car. So that's all what's going on right now, man. I'm just going home, waiting on Javi, and then I can get the rest of this Tune K-Pro video started, well, finished and stuff like that. I haven't even driven my car yet, which is a bummer. But I fixed my issue though. I loaded up a stock tune and then adjusted some parameters and stuff to disable the check engine light and stuff like that. So yeah, I just have to go drive the car now and do all that. But right now, Randy's working on the homie Aaron's car to get him situated because he looked out for Randy. So it was like a favor upon like homie hookup, whatever the case, bro. Let me just get home, upload, and yeah, do all I gotta do, shawty. Look at me. What is this? I don't like things holding me back. Oh, I usually don't wear seatbelts because I don't like things holding me back in life, and I just feel like this thing holds me back, bro, from like my true potential. Flying out the windshield. Hey, what's up? It is indeed the next day. I'm not sure how the camera quality is now. It looks like I'm silhouetting, so that's not fortunate. But the car is on a tune right now. Javi sent me a map last night. was tuned and made 220 horsepower, stock, completely stock RBC manifold, stock injectors. Just a stock tune with just the RBC manifold, full bolt-ons, and that's it. So I'm making like 220. God, this bitch moves. Yeah, the RSX moves now, boy. We finally got a proper map tune thing on this thing, and it moves. Gas mileage is good. No more check engine lights. The mobilizer key keeps blinking. That's when you know you're on that Hondata or K-tuner. But we don't use K-tuner. K-tuner is garbage. So overall, of me just throwing this map on the car, or tune, you would say, it's a nice, bro. It's a big difference. Like the car no longer bogs. It wants to go. Like when you gas it, it doesn't like. It doesn't sound like that was probably a bad example, but like the car wants to go now. Like it's more pep in itself. Like it's more it has a better throttle reaction, like response. Like the throttle response now, much better, 100% better. Here soon. I'm going to take Randy's old Skunk 2 Alpha Series header and slap it on here and then sell my PLM header. The reason why I'm going with the Skunk 2 Alpha Series is because I have a Skunk 2 Mega Power RR exhaust. So the match header and exhaust, no brainer. So that's why I'm going to be swapping mine. So if you're looking for an RSX header, I have a PLM one. That's what, I don't know, 8 months old, 7 months old. I can't remember. I don't know if I got the header. But yeah.
Same floor, same headline. A stroke, a heart attack.
Oh, this is so. That's your new car? This nigga always. do it. And well, 40,000 pulls later, here I stand before you to tell you, bro, if you're thinking about selling your stock RSX without a K-Pro or full Botons, well, full Botons and a K-Pro, please add that to your to-do list and then see if you want to sell it. And then get back to your boy, bro. The RSX is woken up. She has woken up from being dead. That's so funny. Like, you can, like, how you wake up dead. That's so funny. Yeah, he went to sleep and woke up dead. That's so funny. But yeah, huge shout out to Hobby for blessing me with that map, man. Once I throw in these 1000cc injectors and the 85, my daily really won't be a daily. I think I'm gonna go E85, well, flex fuel on the RSX once I get my V4 in the mail. So I guess I'm a while out now. We'll chill out on the tune I have now, and then go get a proper tune when I do 1000cc injectors and do a flex fuel tune. So keep the car on flex. On both, dude, my RSX is not gonna be good daily anymore, bro. I'm gonna need a daily for my daily, dude. This is ridiculous. But now that I know I don't need a fuel sump to go turbo, that CX Racing kit looking mighty damn delicious for 2 bands. That ain't bad. Might gotta slap a CX Racing turbo kit on the car. Maybe, bro. Maybe. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. Comment below why you love ice cream. And if you did not like this video, please leave a dislike on the video. Now I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Make sure you brush your teeth. Okay, and be sure to check out the homie's website, Paris Labor. You know what I mean? Go spread some love so you can spread your woman's cheeks. You in?